In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean the filter on this Frigidaire air conditioner. It's really easy, but you might just not know how to do it, and that is why I'm making this video. So right here, I have a tab and a tab. You put your fingers in here and you pull, and this will snap out like that, and you can just lean it down, and then you can pull out your dirty, nasty filter. I haven't cleaned this in a while, as you can see. Just remember the way you take this out. These tabs right here are facing this way, and for lack of a better term, this air conditioner is sucking air in this way, so all of the dust is sticking to this side. That's good to know when you want to clean this, because you can start by using a vacuum if you want, if you have a lot of dust like this. And you're going to want to vacuum it from this side, because if you do it from this side, it's not going to pull that dust through. That's the whole point of the filter. So you can get the bulk off with a vacuum, or you can just use water. And you just want to run it under a sink from this side. You can use some dish soap if it's really dirty, just to clean it. And the only thing you want to make sure of is that it's completely dry before you put it back in and turn the AC on. Once your filter is nice and squeaky clean like this, you can open this back up, and there's a couple tabs that this sits in on the bottom, just like that. And then as you push this closed, it'll hold it in place. And that is it. Hope this video helps.